Hey friends, let's make some oats porridge, or as some of my friends would call it, oatmeal. This nutrient-dense dish is an excellent way to start your day with sustained energy and essential nutrients for your overall well-being. To my pot, I have some cinnamon leaves and some pink Himalayan salt. Then I am just going to cover my pot and allow the water to boil. Now that my water has come to a rolling boil, I am going to add my oats. Now, if you want to know more about oats, I can tell you this. Oats is great for heart health, digestion, and blood sugar control. When I was pregnant, I suffered with gestational diabetes, and I normally have a bowl of oatmeal in the morning to help me with lasting energy and to control my blood sugar. Now you want to constantly stir your oats. So while the oats is boiling, just keep stirring and stirring. Instant oats it's called, yes, and you can cook it within 5 minutes or a minute. But this way, this style, we are going to cook it for 20 minutes. Now let's add our chia seeds and flax seeds. And there's some hemp seeds in there as well. So I am just going to stir that in. Now combine the oatmeal, flax, and chia seeds. Contribute to lowering your cholesterol and improving cardiovascular functions. I just found that out through my dad. The high fiber content aids in gut health and digestion, sustained energy, a well-balanced mix of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats makes this a great meal for lasting energy. I'll be adding some vanilla, almond extract, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So for the vanilla, you can add about a teaspoon, and the almond extract you want to use just a few drops, 2 to 3 drops, because it can be very overpowering. For the cinnamon, you shake until the ancestors say stop. For the nutmeg, you add as much as you like. I can tell you, maybe if you're not an oatmeal lover, you can add maybe half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I love richness. As I told you in my last video, my food must be rich in flavor. So I am going to add enough cinnamon and enough nutmeg to my liking. You choose as you go how you want your oatmeal to taste. It's up to you. Now you can skip this part. I choose to add a little bit of sweetened condensed milk. This was about a teaspoon of sweetened condensed milk. You can skip it, as I said, and then you can add some syrup later, whether it's maple syrup or your honey. You can choose to do that at the end. Bosi was trying this. She doesn't care for honey or maple syrup, so I thought, why not some sweetened condensed milk? And it's just a little. My oats porridge is now ready for me to enjoy. I want to share this trick with you. Once you put the wooden spoon on top of your pot like I did, it will prevent the food from boiling over. Now I am cutting up some strawberries. I'm going to use it as a topping for my dish along with the blueberries and banana. The strawberry is loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, which supports immune function and skin health. The bananas also provide potassium, which is great for your heart health, vitamin B6 for brain function, and natural sugars for energy. I am going to also add some blueberries, which is packed with antioxidants, and sprinkle some coconut flakes, which offers good healthy fats. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please comment below, subscribe, like, and share with your friends so you will get more content. Let me take that back. I'm going to push the content out regardless, but it motivates me to push out more content when you engage with my videos. So please like, comment, and share. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy.